In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating problem regarding the concept of tunneling in network security. The specific issue at hand revolves around the question of what it means to carry a service not normally provided by the network. It's a common dilemma faced by many in the field, and one that requires a nuanced understanding of how data is transmitted and secured across networks. Now, let's delve into the solution to this intricate problem. One approach highlighted in the provided information is IPsec Tunnel mode. This mode operates at the network level, encrypting IP packets by encapsulating them into a new IP packet with a new IP header. This method allows for secure communication between hosts without requiring application-level changes, distinguishing it from other encryption solutions like TLS-SSL. In addition to IPsec Tunnel mode, another crucial aspect to consider is the transparency it offers for applications. As outlined in the Nord Layer IPsec VPN article, IPsec functions as a drop-in security solution at the network layer, making it compatible with virtually any application. While the addition of a tunnel through IPsec can enhance security, it may also have implications for certain applications, underscoring the need for careful consideration when implementing such measures. In summary, we've explored the concept of tunneling in network security, focusing on the problem of carrying a service not typically provided by the network. Through the lens of IPsec Tunnel mode and its impact on application transparency, we've gained valuable insights into the complexities of securing data in transit. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Stay curious, stay secure. Until next time, happy networking.